Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Spotify notifications not working. First, go to your phone's settings, then go to apps or go to Spotify, and then make sure that you have turned notifications on for the Spotify. Then open Spotify and then check if you have enabled notifications inside the app. Click on your profile, go to settings and privacy, go to notifications, and make sure that you have turn notification on for the stuffs you need. Then turn do not disturb mode off if it is enabled. Also allow Spotify to run in background and disable battery optimization for it. Then restart your phone and test a notification. Then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. That's how you fix Spotify notification not working. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out another helpful guide.